Hi, today I'm gonna show you guys how I paint eyes and we're gonna make it super shiny. So first off, let's start by painting out the white part of the eye, but don't use a white color. Don't use a pure white color because we're gonna use that for something else later. Next, outline the general shape of the eyes with a dark color. It's okay not to get it super accurate here because later on as you draw the eye, it's more obvious to spot mistakes and you can adjust it from there. Then I clean up the outer part of the eye, like the eyelids, and I like to do this aegyosal look, which is basically cute eye bags. And after that, use a multiply layer to color the outer edges of the eyeball because the eyeball is round, so naturally the edges will be darker color. And also use a dark color to paint out where the irises are going to be. At this point, I realized that the right eye looks kind of wonky, so I'm just gonna quickly adjust it, and you can do the same at any point of time while you're drawing because you might realize some mistakes along the way, and it's fine. It's pretty easy to adjust because we're working digitally. Now we put in the iris colors, but remember to leave the pupils dark. And then we put in some eyelashes, also using a dark color. Remember to put some upper lashes and lower lashes. And then over here at this point, I realized that the eye shape is also wonky, so I'm just adjusting it some more. Now I want to make the eyelashes pop out more, so I'm gonna take a lighter color and draw over some strands of the eyelashes. Now I'm darkening the pupils to make sure she is looking at us and that her eyeballs are not going into different directions. And with a color dodge layer, draw on the bottom part of the iris, just the bottom. And we're gonna do this step 2 times to make the eyes super extra shiny. Here I'm just adjusting the eye shape a little bit more, and here is my second color dodge layer. See just how much that makes the eyes pop. This is where we take a white highlight and I put it at one dot at the top right because that's where the general direction of the light is, and I also like to put it at the bottom of the iris as well as the inner corners of the eye. And we're done. I hope that this was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.